Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about my new application COVID-19 dashboard. As a part of NextWave mini project, I have created this single page application using React.js which relays information regarding India's COVID-19 statistics. In this application, we fetch data from an internal server, multiple internal servers for multiple data, and also we pass an starting data regarding the states list and state codes. Using the internal server data and the state list, we create a single page application which relays information regarding all the details about COVID using various charts. For creating this application, I have used multiple React tools like components and classes, routing system in I mean not routing system, routing in React thing, React JS platform, which displays the resultant data using several methods. So let's discuss about the coding of the application. Using routing, the app displays the home page on startup of the page with about route and state route items. Also, if you enter an irrelevant address, the page automatically displays a not found page. In the not found page, we given a basic structure to display a not found picture and which redirects to the home page with a link item. And when it comes to the header and footer components, we have created several rendering methods to display the icons which is discussed about the several functions like who are affected with corona, who are cured, and who are deceased, and statewide statistics. By mentioning all those items in a class, we can modify them using the methods which we use in this header component. In the footer component, we have given the default component option in which we show the logos and all regarding the app. And when it comes to the basic model of the code, in this we fetch the data from the internal server and we use it to display the home page. In home page, we have used header, home route, and footer components to display in the desired manner. And in the home route, we can see that there are states list page and all, and by sending this as a props, we can get the required operation on the page. And when it comes to the home route coding method, here we have created a we have created a function. We can get the list of COVID India statistics from the respective URL. And in the state list, we are maintaining from the state list we are mapping it with each code, and we are creating the data based on confirmed case and recovered case and deceased cases. Using the objects returned from the fetching URL, we can create a list of confirmed cases, list of recovered cases, list of deceased cases, and list of population in the overall, which is based upon the each and every state, district, and taluk, etc. In this home route, we are creating total confirmed, total recovered, total disease, total active, ease loading, and list of COVID state in the state method, so that we can modify them each and every time when we reload the page. When it comes to the home route, after completing the home route, we strictly jump into the list of state, in which we sort by each and every state, which shows the data regarding recovered one, diseased one, confirmed one, and all. After the list of state, we go into the search state, which on clicking the state, which enters into the new page, in which we will get all the details of the four with the logos and charts. Using recharts from React, I have created the charts based on the data which is passed as a prop to the search state method. And in the state cards, I have done the same thing by passing the props using the React components. Later on in state route, we can get clarity regarding each and every state, and also the top districts are also mentioned with each and every number of cases which are there. The number of recovered persons, the number of deceased, and the number of confirmed cases persons. And along with the home page, there is another page which is about page, in which we'll get the common facts of COVID, or how to survive the COVID situation, or the common frequently asked questions regarding the COVID situation. And using this class component, I have retrieved the data from the internal server regarding the what are the FAQs and what are the facts of COVID-19, and using passing the props to about COVID fake list and about COVID fact list. I have created two another pages to display the resultant question and answers or the facts of the COVID-19 situation. This about page, on clicking the COVID-19 logo, it redirects to login page with the link item. I have created this, and I'm still working on applying a dark theme, light theme to this application, and also adding some more CSS functionality to the about page, so in which it can be displayed even more correctly. Thank you.